Interlibrary loan is the borrowing of materials, for example, books, book chapters, journal articles, microfilm, etc., that are not found within the MSU Library's collection for current or retired faculty, staff, and students of Mississippi State University. To access Interlibrary Loan, go to the library's homepage at library.msstate.edu. Click on the Interlibrary Loan link in the middle of the page. Use your NetID and password to log into Iliad. Everyone has an account, but if this is the first time you've used Interlibrary Loan, you will need to set up your profile, beginning with your name, contact information, and status. Under Delivery Pickup Options, the site should be Main Campus. Unless you are located at one of our branch locations, then it will need to be changed. If you are a distance education student, staff, or faculty member, we can mail books from the library to you. Photocopies of journal articles or chapters of a book will be sent to you electronically. The preferred electronic delivery should be set to yes. If you would like to authorize other people to pick up Interlibrary Loan items for you, then identify those people in the Authorized Users field. Click on Submit Information. After completing your profile, you are ready to use the Interlibrary Loan service. We'll now look at how you can use Interlibrary Loan to request items. When making an ILL request, first make sure that the MSU Libraries does not have the item. For help finding books and articles within the MSU Libraries, go to library.msstate.edu/tutorials. On the menu to the left, choose the appropriate request form from the options. Fill out the form with all the information you have. The more you give us, the better we can locate exactly what you need. Be sure to fill out any field with a red asterisk. Those are required for the form to be submitted. When you are finished, click the Submit Request button at the bottom. If you need help with a citation, you can get assistance from the Research Services Department. Once you have submitted your form, you can instantly see the status of your request on the main page in the system. When we have found the books or articles you need, we will contact you either by phone or email. We will hold loans at the Access Services desk for you to check out. Please bring a picture ID with you. If you marked yes for electronic delivery, requests can be retrieved by logging into Iliad and clicking Electronically Received Articles on the left side toward the bottom of the page. The articles are available for 30 days. If you are a distance education patron, you may use this service for copies of book chapters and journal articles that are within the MSU Library's collection. If you have questions about Interlibrary Loan, we would love to hear from you. You can contact the Access Services Department at 662-325-7678 or click on the Ask a Librarian button anywhere on the library website to get to us.